Hi guys, this is Gadget Man 404 and I did a video the other day showing you basically charging up stock Bebop batteries with a hobby grade charger. Now I showed you that is the little lead that you make, plug it into the 3S, and then I've got one of these multi charging leads with lots of different battery connectors on. The only thing I don't like about this is with the metal ones, they're all live. So you have to make sure they don't touch, like the positive and the negative there, because it's going to go pop. So that's the only drawback to these multi-lead charging leads for different style batteries. Like that's a large Tamiya, then you've got your normal servo connector there, you've got JST there, you've got a actual Dean's connector, the next one. That headphone jack, I have no idea what that's for. And these alligator clip ones were there for the, I've got a radio controlled car that's got little knobbles on the side, so my charger is broken, but then I can clip on the little bits that stick out and get it charged that way. So this is the introduction of, I'm showing you charging it up. Look, it's 3S, I've got 0.4, 0.6, that will go to 12.60 when it is fully charged. It's been doing it for nearly an hour, 55 minutes, but it's balance charging that battery now. And the next part of the video is I will show you how to make this charger from your existing charger, because you take parts out of this to use to make that, and I will do a video when this battery is finished charging and show you guys how you do that. So this is a two-part video. I'm going to stop this video. The next part of the video will be after this battery has charged fully, and then I will be able to show you guys how to make this charger work. So for now, Gadget Man 404 out. Hi guys, this is Gadget Man 404 and this is part 2 to obviously part 1. This is how you make a battery charger from your existing stock charger, so you can charge up your stock batteries with a normal hobby grade style charging lead, and then you can charge up all the cells properly. I did a test a while ago, took out this part I need to check the voltage, and they were all out by 0.3 volts. One was 4.40, one was 4.17, and one was 4.11 or something. They were all out. Now when I charge up by this method, they're 4.20, 4.21, 4.21.2, so they are a lot closer together. So let's get into this. All you're going to need is stock charger, a Phillips screwdriver. You need to buy separately a mini Tamiya connector. You can buy these from Banggood for about 85p, and you get the female and the male. You need the male. It has to be a mini adapter, not the normal size Tamiya, because it's too big, it won't work. So, and you need a cable tie, and that is basically it. So first things first, I have already taken this apart before, but I'm doing it again just to show you guys what you need to do. So there's 4 screws in each corner, obviously. Under here you have to peel back that label to get to the screw holes. So I've just done, literally put it back together and done it in just done 2 screw holes up. So let's take it apart. Now obviously this part here is, it goes through this little window it sort of goes between this little plastic bracket. I'm trying to, yeah, so it's sort of, that bit sticks out like that, and then when it goes through, when you put it all back together, those little 4 pins, they come through here, and that's what the battery touches when it's charging. So those pins are already inside the charger, and that's the bit you need, and it is actually a balance lead. Now all you see, you can see there's like putty. I'm just going to try and get autofocus on here, but there you go. There's putty, like heat putty. So all you do is you just scrape around the edges and it will come off. So just pull it out, okay? There's all the resistors and transistors of a stock charger. I'll keep it because if I wanted to I can try and buy just that part and then I could build it back together. And just for my transmitter batteries, I could be charging up one battery using this method and my flight batteries with other method. So that is it. There's putty over the corners, and there's putty all over here. You just scrape it all off basically. But what happens is when it fits on, there's 2 little holes, yeah, 2 little holes there, and you click that goes like that. So you click that over there like that, and then the little brass pins, they come through that little gap, and then when the battery goes in, the battery connector bit goes into that section there, which is nothing connecting to it, it's just a dead hole, and then the pins touch the connectors on the battery and it charges up the battery, but it doesn't balance charge it that way. This method I'm going to show you will. So all you actually do now is you get your cable tie and you do it as tight as you can and you loop it around that little section there, and all will become clear very soon. And then what you do is with the little bit of the connector there, it goes underneath, so you jam it in there like that and it just holds it steady. Okay, and I'm going to show you why you do it like this. I've got one of these multi leads, but I've ordered just a 1 lead. This is the one I've got at the minute, so I can charge up loads of different style batteries, but for this purpose you can use a single lead, which I've ordered a separate one that's got Dean's on one end and it's got a mini micro, it's a mini Tamiya connector male on the other end. But this is how you do it. So you push that on there, just making sure, you see now, because these are metal, these are all live when you connect this battery up, yeah, so make sure they don't touch because you'll short them out. That's the drawback with having a multi connector, unless you can cap them all off and put some rubber connectors. Otherwise, as soon as you connect that battery, all of these leads are live. Don't touch metal on metal, it's not good, won't like it. So what you do is you push the connector into the battery like you would normally do, and just make it go all the way in. Yeah, just push it all the way in. Now this is one thing that keeps happening, my lead keeps coming out, but you just push it back in and it's fine, it'll stay in there. So that's part 1. You push that in there like that, and then you make sure that those 4 pins are touching those 4 pins on the battery. Okay, so you touch that onto there like so. As long as they're touching, when you connect all this up to your charger, it will work. And I'm just going to show you that it's charging up now. So that's with the pins not touching properly, that's with the pins touching, and then I can go through my cycle, and all I'm doing, look, if I let go it's not touching, push it in, it's touching. I'm not making this up, this is true, this works, I use this all the time. So you hold it in with your finger, one cell, look, 4.20, 4.20, 4.20.5, so it's balanced charge the battery. And then all you do is you plug that into your hobby grade, you know, you plug that into the port, you know, the 3S connector of your hobby grade charger. You connect up the battery like I just showed you, and then you plug the other two leads into the other side of the battery, and then basically you set it up. So this is a 1200, so you set it up to 1.2, 3S, 11.1 volts. Press to accept, press again to start charging, and it will charge up individually, going through the 3 cells in here by that balance lead. So now people, you can charge up your stock Bebop batteries with a hobby grade charger just by taking that part out of the charger, buying a mini Tamiya male connector, battery connector, and that's how you hook it up. Cable tie it to the top part of the clip, you push that into there. As long as those are touching there, you will charge up any Bebop stock battery to whatever there are, 17, 18, 1600s, 2500s, 3000s, etc, etc. So that was it. Hope you guys found this informative. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Share this video to your friends to say there's some nutter in England who's making chargers out of bits of leads from another charger. Or don't smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you think this was informative, because it is actually informative, isn't it? I've just shown you guys how to charge up stock batteries with your own hobby grade charger. I can't take all the credit for this. I will try and link the guy's name who put me onto this, because he told me some forum and there was photos and everything, and I copied those photos, and I have now got my own charger for my Bebop batteries. So click the subscribe, click the notification bell in the YouTube app so you will get notifications of when I do new stuff, flights, reviews, mods, etc. More Bebop stuff, because that's my favourite drone, but I do have other drones at the minute, but the one that is the best for me for video and everything else is my Bebop. So yeah, hope you guys like this one, and I will see you in the next video. Gadget Man 404 out.